So Brian and Harvey are planting trees for the Fond du Lac Park, and we want to know if their guide wires that they use to help stabilize the trees when they plant them, if their guide wires form similar triangles. Now if we look back on this lesson and the previous lessons, we know that there are ways and certain properties and characteristics to look at to figure out if two polygons or two shapes are similar. When it comes to triangles, there's even less information that you need to know in order to figure out if they're similar. And here they are. So two triangles are similar if any two of the three corresponding angles are congruent. So if any two of a triangle's three corresponding angles are the same, that means they're going to be similar. So we have a 90-degree here, we have a 47-degree here. On the other triangle, we also have a 90-degree and we have a 47-degree angle, and they are in corresponding locations. And two out of the three angles are congruent or the same. We meet this requirement. Therefore, these two angles we know are similar. Another way to tell is if one pair of the corresponding angles are the same and the sides that are also adjacent to that angle are proportional. That will make two triangles similar as well. So what that is saying is if we were to take two corresponding angles, so 47 degrees here and 47 degrees here, if we were to look at their adjacent sides, so going down here and down here, if those sides are proportional, then these would also be similar triangles. We don't know the length of these sides, so we can't tell if they're proportional or not. And finally, to figure out if two right triangles are similar, you need to know even less information. All you have to know is if one pair of corresponding acute angles is the same or congruent. So we have one pair of corresponding angles are the same right off the bat without even knowing anything else. We know that they are similar. So these two triangles that are created when Brian and Harvey plant trees with their guide wires are similar.